Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I'm at 19. This is the ES on the bottom right chart. We had a nice yesterday. Let's just start with yesterday. We had a nice sell-off after FOMC. I think they reduced rates, so market really didn't like that. They reacted to that by selling it off. Now it looks like we're going back down. At the open here, overnight we're grinding higher. Yeah, today here looks like it might be a bearish day. So let's wait and see. For us to get involved again, we always look for a pullback. So we'd want to see a pullback here at 93 on the ES. If you look at the bottom left chart here, get back to that light blue line, then we may engage short. We got all the charts here at ES except the middle, which is the NQ that we trade. We trade the NQ sometimes. But we also look at it for context because usually the NQ moves like a half a second or a second faster than the ES. If the NQ starts moving, the ES follows through. That's how it usually works. Here, that's why we don't trade the beginning of the session. As you can see here, this market is going back and forth here. So let's wait and see. I'm not sure if there's any news. It could have been a news item. I don't think so, but let me just double check. Yeah, we already have the news, which was at 8:30. So it's final GDP and employment claims that we have every Thursday. We have unemployment claims at 8:30. See, I'm gonna refresh this so we can see what kind of results we got. Okay. Yeah, unemployment claims came out pretty good, less than expected because you want less people unemployed. And the GDP, yeah, pretty good. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen here. I feel like this market wants to go higher, and if it does, we'll be there. If it goes lower, we're gonna try to participate. Remember, I said the pullback at 93 could have been a good place to go short. See here, yeah. At the moment, this market, the bias is to the downside. Let's see if we can get there. Okay, maybe a bar down. Okay, so we just got to wait and see here. This market not digest the open. And this stream is for educational purposes only. It's not a recommendation to buy or sell any stocks or a currency or future contracts. So definitely I'm doing this stream as a way for me to just interact with the community and give back. Also just keep my own, get my thoughts and as I'm trading, and we can look at the market together. Here, if we get a bar down here, we may go short.
Submitted.
What just happened? Yeah, I think I clicked it at the same time the bar was closing. Now it's too late to get on. I'm not gonna be trying to chase this here. See, basically the first target would have gotten hit. The second target would have probably almost got hit too. Yeah. It's okay. So here we're gonna try to go short again with a pullback. Let's see if we can get that. Again, at the moment we're looking for a short setup. Hitting this pivot, it's kind of close to this pivot here, so we may see another, what I would call another. I would need a deeper pullback here, but if it breaks it, let's see how it goes here. Yeah, I don't think that's the best place to sell at the moment. Nice ranging. Okay, now if we get, because part of my NDT was all the way to my left, so let me just move it right here.
Order submitted.
Are we having full? Let me look at this market analyzer. Yeah, I'm having real-time data. I'm not sure what's going on.
Order submitted.
Short here. It's kind of extended, but let's see. I think we have
Order
the next pivot. See if we're gonna get there or not. Let's see if we can move lower here. This market is very volatile right now. I was trying to short it right up here, but and if you just joined the stream, I thought it a little later. And I feel like I chased this short down here, which is normally I like to do. I missed my entry up here because of I clicked and there was an error that happened. I'm upside down in this trade here. So that's why I'm trading. When you make a mistake, you gotta realize that. That's what I did. I kind of chased it down here because this is a base forming. It can definitely push it past that, but it just definitely wasn't the best setup. It definitely wasn't the best. So at the moment, we got within 2 ticks of a stop. Momentum is still to the downside. It's not so much about the momentum. It's about your entry. Like where you enter is important. The market move against you quite a bit before it gets to my target. Okay.
Target filled.
I kind of got bailed out by the momentum to the downside, but This is lesson learned. Can't be chasing it down here at the lows. Can't do that. So just note to self. This is pullback. It's not. We're not talking in hindsight now. When you get a deeper pullback, it's always better for your trade to enter at the deeper pullback. If we enter up here, there would be no heat against the position.
Target filled.
Yeah, first target and second target got hit, so that's a good thing. But yeah, this was an adventure. And trading is not supposed to be an adventure. It's not trading for excitement. We're trading to make money and make the right decisions. And the right decision hopefully will lead to make money. So now we're waiting for another pullback here. If we can go back to this range and give us the opportunity to go short again, we'll take that. Or could this be a complete reversal? Because we're at a support area here. So we're not going to be so quick to say, hey, we're just going to go short. We're just going to have to wait for the market to really show us what it wants to do. Because we are where we are here. It looks like we're above the VWAP. This market might be setting up to go long here. I'll be ready for that as well. We're right at there's a lot of reason why this market may be going higher here. We're right at the liquidity zone, out of support, VWAP, break above VWAP, not testing it from the other side. So, if we get above to the upside here, that might be the move to the upside. Yeah. And the things are not lining up yet as far as the background, but I'm anticipating this to be a move higher here. Yeah, so we're going higher. Now, since we see this, if we're going higher like this, it may come back and test VWAP again. Let's wait. Let's wait for a test of VWAP or test of that blue line at least. And then we can say to ourselves, then, yeah, I'd like to see a couple bars pull back here and then go higher. Okay, let's see.
Order submitted. Order
There you
filled.
go. We got long. This market was getting cheap and started to turn around. So, but we may get stopped out too. Let's find out.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Why my order got closed? It got closed before. I'm not even sure what's going on with this. I think it's something with NDT. Yeah, I think it's something with my strategy. Because I'm still supposed to be in this trade. It just disappeared right here. Yeah, something happened to my strategy here. I'm supposed to be in this trade still. And then it turned around. My stop was down here. See? My stop was down here. And the trade just turned around in my favor. Yeah. Technical issue. Crazy. All right. Okay. I lost. Okay. Let's wait for the pullback here. Maybe.
Order filled.
I'll make up for that loss. Even though that loss here was, again, computer error. Still counts, 76.50.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Looks like we're going lower. Yeah, could have been a good thing. So basically, I got one full winner and a partial loss and a partial loss over here. All right, so it looks like we're going lower again. So as you can see, this loss here wouldn't happen because my stop was down here. I'm not sure what. NDT just got a mind of its own because it happened when, mystery. I got to investigate this issue. 10:02. So, top of the hour. The moment we definitely would be favoring the short here. Let's see if we're going to go higher to this 77 level and give us an opportunity to short it here. Or is it a complete reversal to the upside? Okay, somebody said something in the chat. One having trouble with charts, not lagging. We're connected. Yes, pretty big. Has pretty big range. Yeah, definitely ES is it's in a big range when you think about yesterday too. Yesterday, because it was FOMC, we had a lot of movement in the afternoon, so we should expect some kind of a big range today. And right now, we're probably going to look for a short at the moment. We're below VWAP. We're in the retail area. I mean, again, we're trying to go higher here, which the first one would have worked out, at least partially. But for some reason, my NDT just closed the trade on me. So I don't know what happened. All right, so but here we may want to go short.
Order filled.
There you go. We're short. Can we hit this pivot here and get? We're waiting on the second target. Will it go straight down there, or will it come back and tag us out before it gets there? So we'll have to wait and see. Okay. If the sellers do want to push this down, but there's some pesky buyers are still here.
Filled.
What just happened in this chart here? We'll see what's going on with I'm trying to, trading this market is hard enough. Now we're trying to really fight Not sure what's going on. Okay, there you go. See, an entry could have really be made right here too. Technical difficulty. Now it's kind of like right now we'd be chasing it, so we won't be doing that. Hopefully we can get a pull back to 67, then the U-turn. Then we'll be ready. Yeah, to that blue line here. Let's see if we can.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, it's not going well. Something is going on with my data too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restart everything. It's not working. It's saying I got live data. I'm not even sure why. It's saying that I have 0.05.
Stop filled.
The data seems to be fine. 50 milliseconds. That's why I don't. Yeah, it looks live to me, right? But it was somehow, some way. Right? So this chart acting the way it is, kind of weird. Now the market internals are all green, and we just hit we had the VWAP. So the moment, market going long here may not be, could be a definite possibility. Market going long here definitely is a possibility. We already have a big green background on the NQ. We know the NQ. Everything, the buying pressure is coming in here on the ES. All right. Well, today really we got. So far, I took 4 trades. Oh, that's Let me take one more trade then. I don't want to get to the point I'm going tit for tat for this market. I had a couple stop out days on. One of them wasn't going to be a stop out. My strategy that managed my position just closed it for whatever reason, and the second one definitely wasn't going to be a stop out. Technically, right now, I'm 2-2, 2 winners and 2 losers. I'm waiting for a pullback, maybe to go long. We're at the VWAP here. And then look at the 30-minute chart at the bottom right. Things are really looking like they want to turn to the upside. If it's turning to the upside here, we want to be there too. We got to pivot, We got to pivot right here, so I'm just going to wait for another pullback. If it doesn't take this out and give us a bar to the upside, or even if it does, I think we may be trying to engage long here.
Order.
I think it was moving too fast. I wanted to go long here at 76.50. I'm making another opportunity here because it's probably going to play around VWAP here for a little bit. So there might be a better entry. When I say better entry in the sense of now all those little pullbacks are behind us. So
order submitted.
Looks like the second target we may get stopped out before. Yeah, there's something going on with my data because it's showing the price is moving faster than I'm gonna break even for the day. I got a couple ill-advised trade that I took, but one of them definitely wasn't gonna be a loser, but it was. That's just part of dealing with technology. Now, if we get another pullback here, we're gonna go long again because this market has room to run to the upside here. Yeah, I don't think I'm trusting this push, but let's wait for another push to the downside here, and then if we'll go higher, because usually that first little pullback, it's not the one that you wanna take. A lot of times it is, but sometimes it's not. So you gotta, like they say in trading, you would rather be out and wish you were in, and be in and wish you were out. Like, see, right now, if you get in, the trade would have been turning against you. Now, we're gonna look for a better entry
Order
here,
submitted.
and we get a better entry over here. If it goes me another bearish bar here, it will cancel the order. So that means I just sidestep a loss right here. If I just went up right here, there'd be a loss. Now we're going toward the VWAP. That might be a
order
better
submitted.
entry. We're gonna put the
order
right
filled.
There we go. Now if we go below the VWAP, obviously we don't want to be in this trade. That's why our stop is below the VWAP here. That gives enough room to maneuver. Win lose or during this trade, I think we're gonna at least take a good break. It's only 10-16. This market's not gonna go anywhere. I want to capture every swing, and usually when you get to that point, you get into over trading, and usually not a good thing. So win lose or draw here, we're gonna slow down. Probably just really close the stream. See what Jimmy says. Still here, just we're connecting now. Yeah, that's the thing with this market. Sometimes you see it moving, but you don't know if you were in it, if you would be on the right side of it. It's easy to see what the market is doing when you're in the sidelines. When you get on the field, it's a different ball game. So like right now, market is ranging. It may push down or higher. If we push, obviously, if we push higher, that's what we would want to see. Again, this is the power of waiting for the pullback, a deeper pullback. Let me make this a little bigger so we can see what we're talking about here. So this was a little pullback. That was too close to the pivot.
Target filled.
The target got filled. That's good. Stop to the next pivot. That's what the target is. But waiting for that deeper pullback here help us to turn a loser. What would have been a loser up here? So we got stopped out in profit for the second. As you can see, first target got hit. We got stopped out in profit for the second contract. So right now I'm gonna catch a breath. At least 10 minutes, no more trade. For at least 10 more minutes until the initial balance is formed and kind of see where we are in the market. Technically, I still would like to buy this market. Bounce of the VWAP here. Market internals are green, run back and forth between a green background for a little bit, then a gray. Gray meaning, hey, we don't have much of a sense of direction or much sense of alignment on the different brick sizes. But here we had, we definitely had some alignment to the upside. Definitely, I would favor the long here. If I were to be trading, I would to give myself a 10-minute timeout. I said 10-minute timeout. So sometime in this market, you got to give yourself some timeout. Because I was getting a little too excited. I got to, just calm down a little bit. Hey, so far it's been a barely profitable day because we had a couple mishaps. But so far we're doing all right. And doing all right doesn't mean your P&L is green. Doing all right means I'm following my plans. That's what doing all right means. Yeah, waiting for 10:30 definitely is not a bad idea, Jimmy. At that point, we'll know exactly where we are in the range on the initial balance. Right now, they're trying to define that here. Because of that, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to end the stream, but I'm going to put up a message here because I got to step away from my desk for a minute here. Let me step away for a little bit. Let's see. Windows, accessories, notepad. You can see here, we're going lower now. This market can move, can definitely switch on you on the dime. So you can be married with any positions or any bias. We're kind of closer to the bottom of the range for the initial balance so far, but I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Hopefully you guys will be here, but yeah, I gotta step away for a second here. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Going lower, huh? All right, 2 minutes until 10:30. I feel less than 2 minutes. We're gonna wait to see if we're gonna make a new low here for the initial balance. Yeah, so the high of the initial balance at the moment is 6,004.25. The low so far, they're attacking that low. Looks like they just made a new low. 62.50, 59.62.50. So that tells me this market may be heading lower here, or could this be a stop run? They make a new low to turn it around. So we'll be very careful here to go short. Obviously, we would want to see a pullback if we were to go short. There you go, 10:30. So we have, could see the fade of the initial balance happening right at the moment. Nice little push up at 10:30 here. So could this be it? Buying pressure is coming in, and right at the pivot. We may see a few points to the upside before we go lower, but we'll just wait at the moment. Yeah, the bounce was very short-lived here. It looks like we're gonna go lower here. There you go. Because we're right at the low, definitely not a preferred place to go short. We would want to see a pullback toward the VWAP. Well, may not get it. The bear step on the gas, definitely. As you can see, the Geiger counter showing a lot of selling pressure here. Lots of selling pressure if you look at the middle on the top chart. Lots of selling pressure now. We may see a pullback here. It looks like it's, about to pull back. There you go. I'm going to get a few pullback, a few bars for a pullback. And if you turn again, I wasn't quick enough, but I'd like to see another attempt to go higher here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we're not going to get that today. Because here, that's 59.25. That was an entry. Possible entry, but I'd like to see a double pullback. Like I like to call it. I don't know a better way to call it. That's why I call it double pullback. But it's something like that going back up again. If it's going higher here, Then if it gives me a lower, now because it's ranging, that could be, there you go, how was it? Yeah, we may see a period of where it's ranging here. And it may break the range to the upside, which is what it's doing now, but it's really trying to do some buying. I'm not really, I still like to sell here.
Order
Let's see if we
submitted.
can sell here.
Order filled.
There you go, we got short. Let's see, can we get down there? Yeah, we can. Come on, give me the
Target
first
filled.
Okay, good. A second contract may get taken out at break even, but that's okay. We'll re-engage here if that's, if there's something else, that another opportunity that presents itself. It's going lower. I think lining for the market to tank. Almost to the target. Kind of touch it.
Target
I
filled.
got fill. Thank you. Once again, with a pullback here, so about 58, between 58 and 60. If we get a pullback toward there and a turnaround, we may go short again. I do like today, market's been pretty clear for the most part, I think. There's a couple of times that we got flat-footed, but it looks like it's a bearish market today. We did say get to 58, but can we try to touch 58 again? Well, maybe not, because we said, hey, let's get it back to 58. We get to exactly 58 and 3/4. It might be 59 actually. Yeah, high was 59. Entry definitely would have been at 58 and 56 1/4 here. About 5 or 6 ticks. See what the chat says. Yeah, so we're definitely at a support zone right now. Because this momentum is so fierce to the downside. What's up,
$1 million.
I don't think I don't think the Mexican president and the Canadian
playing something without really wanting to play it. Sorry. Yeah, it looks like we're pushing lower here. Missed this entry. I mean, I wasn't really trying to trade it per se. I wanted another pullback, but it never really. Let's see if we can go test it again. Let's see. Can we go test 58 again? I would like it. Let's go test 58 again and turn around. Also, keep in mind, we were really close on the 30 minutes. We're really close to this fair value gap. Could this be a complete reversal? That's a possibility. And the trend line just got broken here too. This little trend line that got broken. That could be that could be a swing higher. At the moment, we might be looking to go long. At the moment, because if we come back and give us a pullback to this brown support zone, we may get. There you go. They're pumping it up now. Everything's looking green at the moment. Notice that the market internals never changed colors this morning. From the open, they stayed green. So the big boys must know something that we don't. Yeah, we need a deeper pullback. So yeah, prior to that band right here, 58. We were looking for 58 to be resistance earlier. Now we're looking for it to be support. Then we get back to 58, 59, 58, turn around, then we may say, hey, let's try along. It's approaching that zone. Will it give us the U-turn? That's a $1 million question. At the moment, doesn't look like it. You know what? We're gonna try that. 975 is our entry. Yeah, 53 held, definitely. Held big time because they went up a good 15 points. 14 points from there.
Order filled.
Target about to get hit.
Target filled.
Something is not
Stop filled.
completely right. Got stopped on the second contract. Another bar to the upside here could be an entry to go long again. But now I'm getting leery about the longs. The short still in play here. So that was a nice little, scalp to the upside for 10 ticks. Got stopped on the second target. The second contract. It's part of the game. I think we're back short here. Or maybe not. This market's playing with us. Long still looking alright. There's definitely some aggressive buying happening at the moment. So let's wait for a pullback and we may go long. Maybe we not get it. We may not get it. We may not get it. Alright, things marching higher. There you go. See, this is what I call a double pullback. Pullback once and then the second pullback. Usually that's the better entry when you wait for this entry right here. This entry is the better entry than this one, which we did over here. We enter here, but this entry was, as you can see, and this is not just hindsight talking here. We always call for the double pullback for a reason, because once the double pullback happens, when that second pullback happens and we turn around, usually we off we go. We have the VWAP, which is a resistance area. It's probably going to be ranging here. I would like a comeback, maybe to this level, which is 62 and a half. If we can come back to that second blue line, not the first one. The first one is 90, about 66.50. About 63, between 62 and 63 here. If we come back down there, it'll be a nice entry long, but it doesn't look like momentum is have a switch to the upside here. That's what it's looking like. That's a big engulfing candle here on the 3-minute on the top right. So let's wait and see. Yeah, we need a pullback between 66 and a half and 63, or 62 and a half and 66 and a half. Would like to the market to come down here and then make a U-turn. You know, it would make more sense for us to go along there. There you go. Yeah, we're in that sweet spot here that we wanted to see the market do.
Order submitted.
So we're gonna have a
order canceled.
We got cancel here. So if we get that
order submitted.
Goodness.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm not sure what happened. My thing just
order filled.
My data is up 30 milliseconds. I'm not even sure what's going on there. Discrepancy in the price and what's actually showing here. And though my thing shows that, it's frustrating, but it is what it is. Chat says something.
Stop filled.
I stopped out. And the thing is, this is the really frustrating part with this last loss here. Yeah, something's going on with my charts. My entry really was supposed to be down here at 66, but I got fill at 67, almost 68, 67 change. So I'd still be in this trade. For whatever reason, when I clicked the first time, it gave me, because this is the area I wanted to go long. I mean, I called this way before it happened. I'm gonna take this one more shot at this. Maybe not. Looks like it's gonna go lower here. But we can go higher here.
Order filled.
I think I'm going forward. Usually I let my ninja run all week. Going forward, this session, I think I'm gonna
target filled.
We start my ninja trader so I can clear everything, all this cache data and whatever, slowing it down or making it go the way it's going now. All right, kind of back on track here, just crazy. You got stopped out to the tick here. The tick, I mean, the low on this was, on this candle, we got stopped out. The low was 62.50, which was exactly, wow, this is crazy how accurate some of the numbers can be. They go to the tick and tag you out and reverse it. Hey, that's the name of the game sometimes. You're going to have, today's been a pretty interesting day trading at some point because we got some technical difficulties and things didn't go we plan a couple of those times, but that's part of trading. Cannot let the frustration get the best out of you. So now what we're looking for is probably a pullback to VWAP, maybe 73, and a turnaround from there. Yeah, would like to see a pullback here to VWAP 73, and then a turnaround from there. I think we just got that. It's almost hit it. There you go. It's going lower. So, okay. Now we had a 1-bar pullback. That kind of got squashed right away. So, let's wait see if we can get a positive bar here and go long.
Order submitted.
Possibility here. 72 and a quarter. That's a long entry.
Order canceled.
Got canceled because we got a negative bar. Looks like we're going lower. I get back to that range again. See.
Order canceled.
Got canceled. That is fine. Again, we're having those buy stop limits for a reason. We want the market to be going our way and get taken in that way. I'm trying to guess when it's going to turn around. When it actually turns around, we get taken in. Like right now, we just got taken in, and not that we're not going to get any heat that way, but usually it's less likely, But see if we can get at this point here. It's almost 11 o'clock. That could be a last trade. I think I want to make this a last trade. Win, lose, or draw here because I like to take, quite a few trades today, and we want to make sure that we stay within, our rules and not overtrade. There's a couple of ways you can look at overtrading. The number of trades is one thing, but also those trades, are they aligned with your strategy? Are you going by just your emotions, or if you're trying to make back what you lost? I feel like we're still within that. As you can see here, market is moving, but no bars are moving. So something is going on. And I think it's time for me to up like 4 ticks right now. We're down 4 ticks, down 2 ticks, 5 ticks, 6. So just gonna wait for this trade to be over and we'll end the stream. Need to be able to. I think I'm gonna have to just disconnect real quick and connect back up. Let's see. We started with while I have the position on. Prices are gray. Yeah, something's not going. Something arrow upper right to the corner. Yeah. Ninja's not responding at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'll close down Ninja and try to restart it and see what happens.
Upfilled.
Okay. I think we're gonna be in the stream anyway. I just wanted to make sure we get closure with this position here. Okay. Not sure what you mean by it because I scrolled to the right, but I think it just wasn't moving at all. It wasn't just one chart. It was all the charts weren't moving. So let me connect to live data here. Yeah, you said see how prices on the upper left chart are white. Scroll to the left and you'll see they are gray. To me, they look the same. I'm not sure, Jimmy, but it's okay though. Today was definitely a promising day as far as price went, but it didn't really end up going the way that was intended. See the gray. See gray now, hit the right arrow. It looks like we're going lower here. With that said, I hope everybody had a good trading session. I had a frustrating one, particularly because of technical difficulties. But it's all good, you know. We'll get to trade another day. Tomorrow will be the last day of the week. As I was saying, I think maybe yesterday in my live stream back, wanted to see if we could trade. I probably trade up to Christmas Eve, and that'll be my last stream before Christmas, definitely. And then coming back might be January 2nd. That's what I'm shooting for, to come back to stream again. Take a week off, which will be well needed. You know, otherwise, if anybody has no more questions, okay. Yeah, in life you live and learn. Thanks for your help, Jimmy. All right, with that, I'm going to end the stream. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Yes, I'm done trading here, Jimmy. You know, I don't want my frustration get the best out of me here. How did I do? I'm about down 6 points for the session. Down 6 points. So, well, it's not the end of the world. Also, it could have been a really great session. Few of those, let's see, back down to support area. But you were closing. I would take a long one, 55, but not now. Yeah, definitely Euro's about to close in 25 minutes. So, came back to the support. May see another bounce here, or we may see some lower movement. With that said, have a good one. Everybody enjoy the rest of the trading session. I'm gonna go do something else here. Today's Thursday. I wish today was a nice day, like it was the other day. I believe it was Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday I went out for a walk, and that was very nice. I could definitely use a walk right now. Yeah, it's 39 degrees. I don't think that's gonna be walking weather for me. It's 41. It's mostly sunny though. It gets to 42 in a couple hours. We'll see. I may bundle up and go for a walk around the neighborhood. But with that said, it's not just upper right that's stalled, Jimmy. All the charts are stalled. All the charts are stalled. I don't think it's an upper right thing or if I just move the chart like this, no, I don't think that's the issue. I really don't. Like I said, I appreciate your help, but everything's stuck at 67 right now. You know, everything's stuck at 67. If I go to my market analyzer, nothing is working either. See that? Nothing is moving. There's something else going on. So that's why I cannot keep trading this way here. Because, you know, if I don't have the right information, I cannot make the right decision. I'm behind the market or something. But I'm going to get to the bottom of it and figure out what's going on. So in the meantime, good luck with everyone. And enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless.